Ever wondered what are the essentials for any trip? We've all been there, standing over an open suitcase, trying to figure out what to pack. It's not just about cramming in as much as you can. No, the real art lies in packing smart, not heavy. It's about having the right things at your fingertips when you need them. So, what should you take with you on your next adventure? Stay tuned to find out the ultimate travel packing guide. Scene script, clothing, a crucial part of any travel packing list. Now, let's dive into the world of travel clothes. You might be tempted to pack your entire wardrobe, but trust me, less is more. Versatility is your best friend when it comes to packing. Choose items that can easily transition from day to night, from warm weather to cool, and from casual to formal. Think basic tees, neutral pants, and that classic little black dress. Comfort is another essential factor. You'll be exploring new places, maybe walking for miles, so make sure to pack clothes that won't restrict your movement or cause discomfort. Breathable fabrics like cotton or linen can be a lifesaver in hot climates. Speaking of climates, always check the weather forecast for your destination and pack accordingly. If you're going to a tropical area, light, airy clothes are a must. But don't forget a light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings. For cold climates, remember the golden rule of layering. Pack thermals, sweaters, and a good quality coat. And don't forget your hats, gloves, and scarves. Now let's talk about fabrics. When you're on the move, you want clothes that are easy to care for. Wrinkle-resistant fabrics are a game changer for travelers. They'll keep you looking fresh and polished, no matter how long your journey. Packing light is also key. It's not just about saving space in your suitcase. It's about making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. The less you have to lug around, the more freedom you have to explore and enjoy your trip. And finally, don't forget your swimwear, sleepwear, and workout gear. You never know when you'll have a chance for a quick dip in the pool, a relaxing yoga session, or a good night's sleep. So remember, when it comes to clothing, think versatile, comfortable, and weather appropriate. You're not just packing for a trip, you're packing for experiences, adventures, and memories. Choose wisely and pack well. Scene script. Accessories may seem small, but they play a big role in your travel experience. Let's start with travel-sized toiletries. They're an absolute must-have for every traveler. Think about it. You have your mini shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, and even a deodorant, all conveniently sized to fit into your luggage without taking up too much space. And don't forget the travel-sized hand sanitizer. In a world that's increasingly hygiene-conscious, it's a pocket-sized lifesaver. Now let's talk about travel pillows. These little guys are your ticket to Comfort City, especially on those long-haul flights or cross-country train rides. They support your neck, allow for a comfortable sleep position, and can make the difference between arriving at your destination refreshed or with a stiff neck. Next up, eye masks and earplugs. These two are the dynamic duo of uninterrupted sleep. Whether you're trying to catch some Z's on a noisy plane or in a hotel room that's not quite dark enough, these accessories can help you get the rest you need. And of course, we can't forget the reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated while traveling is crucial. With a reusable water bottle, you can fill up at water stations and avoid the cost and environmental impact of buying bottled water. Plus, many modern options come with built-in filters, so you can ensure your water is clean no matter where you fill up. The importance of these accessories lies in their ability to enhance comfort during travel. Sure, you can survive a trip without them, but why would you want to? They're small, lightweight, and can significantly improve your travel experience. They help you maintain your routine and habits even when you're far from home, providing a sense of familiarity and comfort. So the next time you're packing for a trip, remember these essentials. Don't underestimate the power of these little accessories. They might seem insignificant, but they can have a big impact on your comfort and enjoyment during your travels. The right accessories can make any trip more enjoyable and comfortable. In this digital age, gadgets are a travel necessity. Let's face it, most of us can't imagine going a day without our beloved devices, let alone an entire trip. So, what are some of the essential gadgets you should consider packing? First up, we have the smartphone, our trusty sidekick. It's not just a communication device, but a multi-purpose tool. From capturing memories with its camera, navigating unfamiliar cities with its GPS, to booking last-minute accommodations or flights, your smartphone is a lifeline on the road. Next, we have power banks. Our gadgets are only as good as their battery life, right? Having a power bank means you can recharge your devices anytime, anywhere. It's like carrying around your personal power station. Then there's the universal adapter. With different plug types used around the world, a universal adapter ensures that you can charge your devices no matter where you are. It's a small item that can save you a lot of hassle. Now let's talk about noise-canceling headphones. Whether it's to block out the noise on a long flight or to enjoy your favorite tunes while exploring a new city, these headphones can be a real game changer. They can turn your journey into an enjoyable and personal experience. Last but not least, let's not forget about portable Wi-Fi. This little gadget can provide you with internet access wherever you go. No more desperately looking for Wi-Fi hotspots or dealing with slow hotel internet. These are just some of the gadgets that can make your travel experience more convenient and entertaining. They can help you stay connected, keep your devices powered, and enhance your overall travel experience. Remember, travel is not just about reaching the destination, it's about enjoying the journey as well. And with the right gadgets, that journey can be a whole lot more enjoyable. The right gadgets can turn a good trip into a great one. Now that we know what to pack, let's discuss how to pack them. It's not just about what you bring, but how you bring it. First up, consider rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Not only does this save space, but it also can reduce wrinkles and make your items easier to locate. Imagine, instead of rummaging through a pile of folded clothes, you can easily spot your favorite t-shirt in a neat roll. And speaking of neat, packing cubes are your best friends. These little lifesavers allow you to compartmentalize your luggage, organizing by outfit, day, or item type, whatever works best for you. They're like drawers for your suitcase, keeping everything tidy and in its place. The secret to packing like a pro is utilizing every nook and cranny. Empty spaces are opportunities waiting to be filled. Those shoes you're packing, perfect for stuffing socks or underwear. The corners and edges of your suitcase, ideal for your rolled-up belt or a small bag of toiletries. But remember, it's not just about fitting everything in. You also want to think about accessibility. What will you need first when you reach your destination? Perhaps your toiletries for a quick freshen up, or maybe your sleepwear if you're arriving late. Pack these items last so they're the first things you see when you open your suitcase. And let's not forget about those important documents and gadgets. Keep them in an easy-to-reach place, maybe a dedicated pocket in your carry-on. This way, they're always at hand when you need them. Lastly, always make a packing list. This ensures you don't forget anything and gives you a sense of control. Trust me, there's nothing worse than realizing you've left your charger or favorite pair of sunglasses back home. Remember, the goal of packing isn't to cram as much as possible into your suitcase. It's to organize your items in a way that makes your travel experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Packing smart makes travel hassle-free. So take these tips to heart, and you'll be a packing pro in no time. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to travel packing. We've journeyed through the essentials, from the threads that will keep you stylish and comfortable, to the accessories that add convenience to your trips, and the must-have gadgets that will elevate your travel experience. In the realm of clothing, we talked about the importance of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create different looks, and the necessity of packing for the weather of your destination. We also touched on the significance of packing lightweight and wrinkle-resistant clothes to keep your luggage light and your style intact. In the world of accessories, we explored the indispensable role of travel necessities, such as essential toiletries, travel documents, and a reliable travel bag. We emphasized the value of each accessory in ensuring a smooth and hassle-free journey. And who can forget our venture into the gadget territory? We delved into the importance of travel-friendly tech items like power banks, noise-canceling headphones, and universal adapters. We highlighted how these gadgets can help keep you connected, entertained, and hassle-free on your travels. Remember, the secret to effective packing lies in being organized and strategic. It's all about packing what you need, leaving behind what you don't, and packing it all in a way that makes your journey as smooth as possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check the link in the description for a free gift. Safe travels!